Vivo launched its new Y series phone in China called Vivo Y6 with 5G support. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y6 5G features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y6 5G sports a 50-megapixel primary camera on the rear with f2.2 aperture, and for selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.1 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,200 mAh battery with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.64 by 78.43 by 8.39 millimeters, and it weighs around 219 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y6 5G has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Obsidian Black, Galaxy Silver, and Phoenix Gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y6 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.